Have you ever noticed how some brands seem to show up everywhere? On Google, on social media, even right when you're about to make a purchase? That's not a coincidence. That's digital marketing at work. In this video, we are going to break down digital marketing from the ground up. Welcome to our channel, Anyone Marketing. In this video, you will understand exactly what digital marketing is, how it differs from traditional marketing, and how businesses use it to grow and connect with customers in today's digital world. Let us start by understanding the difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing. Traditional marketing includes things like television commercials, newspaper ads, and billboards, basically non-digital mediums. These methods have been around for decades and are still used today, but they come with some limitations. For example, when you run a television ad, you don't really know who saw it, how many people paid attention, or what they did after watching it. Digital marketing changes all of that. With digital channels, marketers can target specific audiences, measure results in real time, and improve campaigns while they are running. Instead of guessing, decisions are based on actual data. This ability to track, measure, and adjust is a major advantage that digital marketing has over traditional methods. Now think about your own habits before making a purchase. Most of us search for information on Google, check social media for recommendations, and read reviews before buying anything. Customers today expect businesses to have a strong online presence. Digital marketing ensures that businesses are visible, credible, and consistently reaching their audience where they already spend time. Now, simply being online is not enough. To really make digital marketing work, businesses need a clear plan. So let's talk about how an effective marketing plan is actually built, step by step. In today's world, being online is not optional. It is essential for growth and survival. A common mistake beginners make is focusing on platforms before developing a strategy. Effective digital marketing always starts with a clear plan. The first step is understanding your business model. What are you selling and how do you make money? Next, you define your market. Who exactly is your target audience? Then comes your message. What problem do you solve and why should someone choose you over the competition? After that, you identify the media. Where does your audience spend their time online? Finally, you set up a system. What happens after someone shows interest? Is there a clear path for them to become a customer? If any of these steps are unclear, even the best ads will not deliver results. Strategy always comes first. Platforms come second. Digital marketing is usually divided into two main types: organic marketing and paid marketing. Organic marketing includes everything you do without paying for ads, such as posting content on social media, writing blogs, creating YouTube videos, and optimizing your website for Google search. The key thing to understand about organic marketing is that it focuses on earning attention, not buying it. It takes time to see results, but it builds trust and long-term visibility. Paid marketing, on the other hand, is when you pay platforms like Google, Instagram, or Facebook to show your message. Paid marketing gives you faster visibility. As soon as your ad goes live, people start seeing it. Most businesses use a mix of both: paid marketing for quick results and organic marketing for a strong foundation. Now let us talk about the different types of marketing campaigns businesses run. Not every campaign is designed to generate sales immediately. Direct response marketing is very straightforward. Its goal is to get the user to take action right away, such as clicking a link, filling out a form, signing up, or making a purchase. The results are easy to measure: how many people clicked, how many converted, and how much revenue was generated. This type of marketing is commonly used when businesses want immediate outcomes. Brand awareness marketing. Vernon, on the other hand, focuses on building familiarity and trust over time. The goal is not instant action, but to make sure people recognize and remember the brand. This is important for long-term growth, not just short-term sales, and businesses should choose the approach that best aligns with their specific marketing objectives. Another important concept is the difference between search marketing and discovery marketing. Search marketing happens when someone is actively looking for something. For example, they type a question or product name into Google because they already have a need or problem. Search marketing focuses on appearing at that exact moment, using tools like search engine optimization, also known as SEO, and paid search ads. In short, search marketing captures people who already have intent. Discovery marketing works earlier in the customer journey. Here, the user is not actively searching. They are scrolling, watching, or browsing. Marketing appears while they are consuming content on social media feeds or video platforms. Discovery marketing introduces ideas, products, or brands that the user may not have considered yet. Both are important. One captures demand, the other creates it. Marketing also changes depending on whether you are selling a product or a service. When marketing a product, customers can usually see it, compare it, and understand it quickly. So, marketing focuses on features, price, quality, and what makes the product different. The decision process is often faster. Services are different because they are intangible. You cannot see a service before buying it. Marketing for services needs to focus more on expertise, experience, trust, and results. When people buy services, they are not just buying an offering. They are buying confidence in the provider. That is why reviews, case studies, and credibility are especially important in service marketing. Finally, let us look at who you are marketing to. In digital marketing, audiences usually fall into two broad categories: business to consumer, or B2C, and business to business, or B2B. B2C is when a business sells directly to individual customers, like clothing brands, food delivery apps, or mobile phones. The audience is large, decisions are often faster, and emotions play a big role. Marketing messages in B2C are simple, visual, and easy to understand, with the goal of quickly grabbing attention and encouraging action. B2B is when a business sells to another business, such as software companies or consulting services. The audience is smaller, decisions take more time, and multiple people are often involved. B2B buyers want to understand how the solution works, whether it is reliable, and what value it delivers to the business. That is why B2B marketing focuses more on education, logic, return on investment, trust, and credibility. Digital marketing isn't about chasing trends. It's about understanding people and communicating value in the right way. Once you get these basics right, every advanced tactic becomes easier to learn and apply. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and let me know what marketing topic you'd like next.